Have you ever wondered why rice stands as the cornerstone of culinary traditions across the globe? This humble grain, with its simplicity and versatility, has secured a vital place in kitchens from Tokyo to Texas. Today, we dive into the art of cooking the top 5 types of rice consumed around the world, each with its unique flavor and texture. First on our list is Basmati rice, a long-grain variety revered for its fragrant aroma and light, fluffy texture. Ideal for dishes like biryani or pilaf, Basmati rice begins with a thorough rinse in cold water to remove excess starch. For every cup of Basmati, use 1.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then simmer with the lid on for about 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it sit, covered for 5 more minutes to achieve that perfect fluffiness. Next, we explore Jasmine rice, often associated with Thai cuisine. Similar to Basmati, start by rinsing your Jasmine rice until the water runs clear. With a softer texture and a slightly sweeter taste, Jasmine rice requires less water. Use 1.25 cups of water for every cup of rice. Cook it covered on low heat for about 18 minutes. Then let it stand off the heat, still covered, for an additional 5 minutes. Now, let's turn our attention to sushi rice, the sticky staple necessary for crafting perfect sushi rolls. Sushi rice preparation begins by washing the grains under cold water until clear. Cook 1 cup of rice with 1 cup of water. Once cooked, the secret lies in the seasoning. A blend of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, folded gently into the warm rice to enhance its flavor and stickiness without becoming mushy. Moving west, we encounter Arborio rice, essential for a creamy, dreamy risotto. Unlike our previous varieties, Arborio rice enjoys a constant interaction during cooking. Start by toasting the rice in a pan with a bit of oil until the edges become translucent. Gradually add hot broth, 1 ladle at a time, stirring frequently until the liquid is absorbed. This process, taking about 18 to 20 minutes, allows the rice to release its starch and absorb flavors, culminating in a rich, velvety risotto. Lastly, we look at brown rice, celebrated for its nutritional benefits. Brown rice retains its bran layer, offering more fiber and a chewier texture. It requires a bit more water and time compared to white rice varieties. Use 2.5 cups of water per cup of rice and cook it covered for about 35 to 40 minutes. Once done, let it sit covered for 10 minutes to steam, ensuring each grain is tender. In summary, mastering the cooking of different types of rice can elevate your culinary skills and expand your kitchen repertoire. From the fragrant Basmati to the robust brown rice, each variety offers a gateway to the diverse world of global cuisine. Experiment with these techniques, adjust as per your taste, and perhaps discover your new favorite dish in the process.